little control rod indexes into right here. These are your plunger springs. Take those out. This is why my truck would not run. There is a thrust washer on the back side of that. Put some Vaseline or grease to retain that, otherwise it'll come off. That little notch index is on that dowel, and you match that up with your keyway on your shaft, on the exterior of the pump shaft. So you slide this sucker down, give it a little bit of a twist. Okay, that's indexed. Slide this control metering sleeve up. See the hole right there? That matches up with that guy. Okay, check. It'll pop out since the head isn't on, but I'm going to put a hammer to prop it up. And that will save you hours. Good luck.